In the heart of an abandoned mansion, echoing footsteps break the silence of the dark hall, where whispers of the past linger in every corner. As the chilling breeze sweeps through the corridor, the ghostly presence seems to draw closer, leaving an unsettling aura that fills the air with dread. Each creak of the floorboards underfoot amplifies the tension as the air grows thick with unspoken stories of sorrow and despair that haunt the once vibrant abode. The diary's unsettling words seem to echo through the corridors, recounting tales of those who ventured inside and never returned, their fate sealed within these haunted walls. With a deep breath, courage sparks within, urging the brave souls to ascend the staircase, where more secrets and shadows await in the unknown. The atmosphere thickens as the figure at the top watches with palpable intensity, a silent guardian of the dark hall's many untold mysteries. As the clock ticks silently in the background, the door creaks open, beckoning the curious to step inside where even darker secrets lie waiting.